following is a demonstration of how a magnetic ballast clarification unit, or MBC, can be used to remove solids from water and wastewater. We are performing jar tests which simulate the operation of the MBC. The first simulation is on stormwater, which contains silt and clay. As a first step, we measure the turbidity of this sample, and it is 369 FAU. We'll now take this sample, put it into the gang stirrer, and begin the simulation process. The first thing we do is begin mixing of the samples, as is done in the MBC unit. We then add magnetite. Magnetite is an inert iron oxide. It's non-reactive, non-toxic, and is found naturally occurring as the black sand seen in many streams throughout the world. We next add a small bit of polymer, and this allows the particles we want to remove to adhere to the magnetite. The magnetite is 5 times the density of water, so once we stop the mixing, particles will settle very rapidly. We only mix for about 30 seconds in this simulation, while in an MBC the mixing is actually about 5 minutes. This allows for a much better removal sometimes of the very, very fine particles that may still be present. The sample, when the mixing stops, settles quite rapidly, with most particles removed in less than 30 seconds. We now take this settled sample, and we're going to measure the turbidity again to show the percent removal of all the particles. The vast majority of particles have already settled out, but magnetite is also magnetic, and so we can remove them magnetically if need to. The final turbidity of this sample was 9 FAU, which represents over 97% removal of the particles.